The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Surigao del Sur in Region 13 or CARAGA region. The province of Surigao del Sur has the city of Tandag as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 13 or CARAGA region. It was founded on June 19, 1960. The total land area is 4,932.70 kilometers squared or 1,904.53 square miles. Surigao del Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by Surigao del Norte, Lanuza Bay, Philippine Sea, Davao Oriental, and Agusan del Sur. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Surigao del Sur in CARAGA region or Region 13. We have the municipality of Barobo with 21 barangays, municipality of Bayabas with 7 barangays, the city of Bislig with 24 barangays, municipality of Caguait with 11 barangays, municipality of Cantilan with 17 barangays, municipality of Carmen with 8 barangays, municipality of Carrascal with 14 barangays, and the municipality of Cortes with 12 barangays. We also have the municipality of Hinatuan with 24 barangays, municipality of Lanuza with 13 barangays, municipality of Lianga with 13 barangays, municipality of Lingig with 18 barangays, municipality of Madrid with 14 barangays, municipality of Marihatag with 12 barangays, municipality of San Agustin with 13 barangays, and the municipality of San Miguel with 18 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tagbina with 25 barangays, municipality of Tago with 24 barangays, and Tandag City, which serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 21 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and cities comprising the province of Surigao del Sur in Region 13 or CARAGA region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.